Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to customize your Shopify theme step by step and create your own custom section inside your store. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left sidebar, go to Online Store. Here you'll find the Themes option. Click on Themes, and you'll see your current live theme. Now click on the three dots next to the Customize button. From the drop-down, select Edit Code. This will open the theme code editor in a new tab. On the left side, you'll see different folders like Layout, Templates, Sections, Snippets, and Assets. Now click on the Sections folder. Here, click on Add a new section. Name the file simple-text-section.liquid. Then click Create. Now open this new file. Next step, go to the blog link I've mentioned in the description. Scroll to step 2 in the blog. Copy the code provided there and paste it inside this new section file. After that, scroll to step 3 in the blog. Copy that code as well and paste it into the same file. Now click Save. Next, go to the Assets folder. Find the file named base.css. Open it. Now go back to the blog and scroll to step 5. Copy the CSS code mentioned there and paste it inside the base.css file. Click Save again. Now go back to the previous tab and click on Customize. This will open the theme editor. On the left side, select the home page template. Click on Add Section. In the search bar, type Simple Text Section. You'll see the section we just created. Click on it. For example, I'll type Hello World. And as you can see, the text instantly appears on the page. You can customize the text, styling, and content as per your requirements. That's how you create and customize a custom Shopify theme section. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And for the complete step-by-step written guide, check the blog link in the description. See you in the next video.